In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to set up and play the Jigsaw app in Snowflake MultiTeach and show ways that it can work with other apps and lessons. The Jigsaw app provides a way for students to interact with images or videos related to instructional topics. As a standalone app, or using the Zones feature to complement content in a lesson, educational video, or MultiTeach Tools app such as Media or Nodes. Jigsaw is good for building and reinforcing visual spatial skills and visual attention to detail. It supports building and practice of cooperative skills among pairs and small groups of students in a fun way. When paired with a rubric and a reflection activity, the Jigsaw app can be part of a lesson that supports critical thinking skills. The Jigsaw app can be set for the two levels in MultiTeach, elementary or secondary. Each level can have a different set of puzzle images. If you are in the elementary view of MultiTeach in the main menu, swipe to the left to access the Jigsaw app. If you are in the secondary view of MultiTeach, swipe to the right. This is the elementary view where I have images for younger students. You can choose any of the preloaded images, or you can add your own image or video by selecting the image placeholder. Student-created images can also be imported. Here, I've imported a picture of a barn to go with an instructional unit about farms. When you select a thumbnail, you will be led to a grid where you can choose the number of puzzle pieces for the jigsaw puzzle using the sliders to the left and bottom of the image to adjust the difficulty level for your students. Select the green check icon to open the puzzle. To solve a puzzle, use multiple fingers to rotate and bring together the correct pieces. A group of students can collaborate to solve the puzzle, as the Jigsaw app supports multiple students interacting on the screen. After the puzzle is solved, the students can select Back to return to the puzzle selection screen or select Restart to start the puzzle. Here, I'll select Back and demonstrate a video puzzle. This feature provides a way for your students to import video clips they've taken for their projects. Select Hint to view a reference image for the puzzle. Because some puzzles can become frustrating, there's a way out. Go to the corner menu icon to open the side menu and select Back, and then confirm that you want to go back to the puzzle selection screen. In this section, I'll go over how to access, import, and delete images in the Jigsaw app. Here, I'll select some content to add to the Jigsaw app. First, I'll select the empty image placeholder. I'll add an image of a tornado for a unit about the weather, and I'll add an image of a lamb for a farm lesson. In this example, I'm using images from my hard drive. The same process is used to select images from other locations. If I decide to delete an image, a confirmation dialog appears, and the selected image appears at the top. I'll use the corner icon to access the side menu where I can close the Jigsaw app. Here is a summary about using images in the Jigsaw app. This is similar to the process used with other apps in MultiTeach. Select the empty placeholder to import an image or video clip. This will lead to a file browser. From the file browser, access a folder from your hard drive or connected storage device. You can access images sorted by category from the online Content Gallery folder, which appears in the left column of the file browser. You can enter keywords in the Internet search box located in the top left corner of the browser to access filtered images that are suitable for educational use. You can set up MultiTeach to link to folders in Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox through the configurator. All images imported into the Jigsaw app are saved by default. To delete an image, select the X icon beneath the image's thumbnail. In this segment, I'll show different ways to use the MultiTeach Zones feature with the Jigsaw app. I'll show how to set up the app for use on a tabletop display, and then I'll demonstrate how the Jigsaw app can work within Zones along with other apps and lessons. Here's a demonstration of how the Jigsaw app in Zones works in tabletop mode. For this example, I'll use the secondary view of MultiTeach. I'll select the Zones icon to set up the display in 4 sections, oriented for use on a tabletop. I'll navigate to the Jigsaw app for each zone and set up the puzzles. In this example, the difficulty level for the puzzles has been adjusted for the students. The configuration can be saved for later use by selecting the corner menu icon to open the side menu and selecting zones. This will lead to the zone selection screen while I'll select Save Current. In this segment, I'll demonstrate how the Jigsaw app can be accessed with other MultiTeach apps and lessons using the Zones feature. Using the Jigsaw app along with content from other apps and lessons can enhance your students' learning experiences. This setup is useful during presentations and class discussions that involve students coming up to the display or working with peers on a tabletop display. The elementary view is featured in this example. Students are studying about coastal animals and their habitats. In the top left corner is a puzzle of a hurricane on a shore. To the right is a rounds lesson where students match the name of turtles to images of different types of turtles. In the bottom left section is a nodes project depicting a concept map that students can explore and complete. In the lower right is a tags lesson where students identify parts of turtle anatomy. Each zone can be quickly activated to appear in full screen mode by selecting the full screen icon in the side menu. Here is the Jigsaw app in full screen. The zone can be returned to its place in a similar way, and the puzzle can be replaced by another. Here's the Coastal Animals and Habitats concept map in full screen. Many of the images used in the MultiTeach apps and lessons can be repurposed for use in the Jigsaw app. Organizing Jigsaw with related learning activities in zones makes it easy to move from one topic to another on the large display when you are teaching. The configuration can be saved by selecting the Zones icon in the side menu and selecting Save Current for later access. This has been an overview of the Jigsaw app and how it can work with other apps and lessons using the Zones feature in MultiTeach. For more information, visit the NUITEQ website at www.nuitec.com.